Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from New Trader, and this is Mary. Mary's here. Just her camera is not working right now, so we have to figure that out and see what is going on right there. But definitely doing good today. How is everybody this beautiful Friday? Let's see what we do today. Market is looking quite bullish right now. SPY and everything is really popping up. So I don't know if we have any news.
I like it.
All right, she's happy. So
No, it's because I had a INTC overnight. Printing well.
Nice. Nice. I have a short idea for Nvidia, so let's see. All right, so let's see if you want to manifest or not. You have a long, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
10 R's.
That's how we do it. So yeah, I have to wait. I want a short, but like I have to wait. I have to be very patient here. I could probably go long on Nvidia, but yeah, we're gonna have to take it easy. So I know it's too early for me to be asking you these things, but like just in case, because sometimes you're faster than me by a lot, or every time you're faster than me. Do you have any trade already? Do you have any idea?
Yeah, well, I've got INTC because obviously, but I took it as well again. And when I'm looking at SPY right now, 687. So no, that's not a new all-time high. 687, 687.30, 687.50. Holy cannoli. What's going on?
So I'm gonna try a little trade here. It's I'm going long, but it's as I say, it's very little. I just want to see. This shouldn't be holding.
Okay, 687.30.
So I'm longing like way less shares toward my possible entry as a short. So I just think we are far enough. If I have little shares, I'm able to survive any pullback. But I want to short Nvidia at 185, to be honest. Like, I mean,
SPY is
now,
interacting with the Anchor VWAP right now, and just wicked it. And the RSI is just. Whew. AMD seems to be strong.
I have a level for SPY. I'm gonna let you know which one, just to know if it has any relevance for you too. So if I can be a little bit more precise than that probably. So 186.73. Do you have
SPY?
any? Yeah.
686.73?
Oh my god, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm doing that again.
Yes, there is. At
Yeah.
70.
686.73. Yeah.
70.
All right. So
So there's a lot of numbers apparently coming in at 10.
all right. Mm-hmm. You have Rigetti.
No, I'm just looking right now. I still have INTC. SoFis are, loans are still in play. Right?
I'm taking some heat on the Nvidia. Though it's okay. It's, I have my stop loss. I'm gonna be out. This thing is really wanting to go lower, which was my original idea. We are just close to the level that I think it makes sense to go long, but
Okay. We've got, interesting enough, we've got WBD. That's number one in volume and number one, and at 25 right there. It's really high, but 25 looks interesting till 26.
okay, I'm out of Nvidia. So that was not a good trade, but we're gonna take a look at it deeper. Do you know why is it trading higher, WBD?
No. You?
No. So I took another shot. That now I have a better entry, in my opinion. Let's see if it wants to work.
That's Nvidia.
Yes, that's Nvidia. It's really flushy right now for some reason, but like very waggy lately. Today's Friday, yeah, right. Now I'm gonna hold on tight with my stop loss there. Whatever happened. If I am right, I have a very technical price in my opinion, so
Okay.
whatever it wants to do, I am following my plan. The first trade was questionable, but like this one
Is not.
it's just a trade that wouldn't work. Gotcha, Nvidia. What is going on with you?
That's so weird, eh?
Yeah, it's kind of weird, I will say too, but
Right?
wow. Does Nvidia have the power to go parabolic reversal? Like that's a healthy question, I guess. But
Does who?
like Nvidia, does it have the power of going parabolic reversal right now? I would say the answer to that is a yes.
At 181?
Well, parabolic will mean it will just do like a V shape, like it went down, and it will have very similar move toward the recuperation. So that's. But
You got it 181?
oh no, I got it 181.90, 181.94. So I didn't get stop out like by 4 cents right now, maybe six. But like, if it's not gonna go parabolic, I have to be out of the trade. If I don't think it's gonna go parabolic, I have to go out of the trade because it makes no sense to hold for something that is not gonna even be paying back. Oh look at that thing. Too fast. Too furious. There we go. Yeah, I got out. But I like the 81, so I'm gonna get it back at 81. I think that was a okay price. I shouldn't allow myself to get stop out on that one, but it's okay. It's okay, my friend. I got 81 where I don't get it. No, even. I'm gonna be even more picky. I'm gonna get 81.40 or I don't get it. 80.40, 180, 180.40 or I won't get it. That's what I'm gonna do.
That's your ad?
No, I don't have a trade anymore. You got me
Oh.
out. So
Okay, so not a whole lot more now on the pullback for SPY. We are looking at that 687 we talked about.
Yeah, okay. I just noticed that I was being a little bit stubborn. So I flipped my size. I was going long.
Okay,
I think it's a technical price again.
okay.
So instead of me convincing myself that this is a long, look at everybody on the tape on the bid. Like it's like everybody's bidding down. So why I wouldn't go with them, you know?
Well, look
So-
at you.
Took a little long to do that, but like I think it might be the right move. Let's see. It's quite intense right now, and the volume toward the downside is quite high too. You know, like oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
You have
2.
WBD,
Yeah, I took a significant portion
nice.
at INTC.
Look at you. Let's ring the bell for you.
Here comes the money.
Chala chala.
Jala jala. And like you remember, I said when a level get broken, if it's an important level, like I add to the in favor.
Mm-hmm.
So like that's one of the things. I like he broke the level. Like why would I try to go the other way? You were going to say something and I interrupt you. What was that?
Yes. Like we're talking, SPY is going to be 687,
Mm-hmm.
and that position on NVIDIA at 181. But like you said, Davey, there's nothing to the offer on NVIDIA.
Yeah,
right?
it's like
so there's nothing.
like and there is people trying to buy it at 180 and 180.70, 180.40.
Right?
So it's all the way down, you know. So yes, like there is a little bit of offering on Arca as well, but like I don't know, you know. It's
Mm-hmm.
I was looking originally for short. I just went long because I missed the short at the price I wanted and blah blah blah. No, I missed it. It didn't even print it. So technically, I have flipped my idea twice. I was looking short, then I flipped long, then I flipped short again. And now let's see how we do. We it's magic.
I know, right? I'm going to pull a rabbit soon. Let's pull a rabbit.
The coffee's better today.
You took the words right out of my mouth. I didn't want to say it. I said, like, is it in my mind? Because it's from the same pot.
Yeah, it's
But-
so annoying. Like, but I can tell you that I didn't have that problem at all with the other thing. So, like with the coffee that we just changed,
Mm-hmm.
I never had that problem. So
Yes, the blend is very good there.
very even.
Mm-hmm. Well blended. Okay, so SPY's on its way too. It's going to be actually more than that. We're looking then at SPY. Oish, almost 688. What the hell? What the hell? Break even and stay there. Sit. Because it's on its way.
Mm-hmm.
Sit right there and watch your trades go.
Yeah, I am looking for news. You say numbers are coming out at 10? Oh my god.
They're big numbers, right?
We have Michigan Consumer Sentiment Preliminar. We have Core PCE. We have Michigan 5 years inflation expectation. Michigan Consumer Expectation Preliminar. Michigan Current Conditions Preliminar. Michigan Michigan Inflation Expectation Preliminar. It's like a lot of things, and all that is coming at 10. So, do I want to hold this trade?
Well, we know, right? Before this happens, what do they do?
Yeah. It's
Right? We've seen the move. Right? So pump it up,
and dump it.
dump it down. Dump it off.
Pump it up. I know you're right. Make it happen. I'm gonna put a line on the sand. That's what I am hesitating, and let's do it. If I am wrong,
Okay.
I am wrong.
So you've got a line in the sun.
Yeah, because I guess when I feel uncomfortable is when I don't have a stop loss, and like that's what I didn't have.
I know what you mean. Okay, so 687. Dead on. I'm going to put that level there. And we're going to see if we're going to be flipping here. Because it seems like we've got 687. And then 686.10. Okay.
Like spice it. Yeah, you need a break.
No, I was going to say I might be putting a
Order.
No, a out order on my INTC.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at the tape and what's going on there. Don't want to limit it, but toppy at 42.50.
Topi,
And
topi,
there-
la moscosa.
And there doesn't seem to be a whole lot more than that. 42.80, but 42.50 seems to be very, very high there. minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes.
3 minutes for the hit.
Yeah. So it's just the inflation and the inflation expectation and the Michigan consumer expectation that is only going to be real numbers that are
Oh,
from like
okay.
actual numbers that are from the previous month.
Okay.
So everything else is from September. So numbers are lagging, terribly lagging. Crazy, eh?
Yeah. Bowler.
Okay, so the push is still in play. Holy cannoli. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's trading on its own, I think. Which push you talking about? The SPY or INTC?
SPY.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, INTC is not even connected. Tape is starting to flip though, so you can see that it's getting toppy.
Mm-hmm.
So we definitely have more interest to the bid. Let's go.
Let's go where?
Higher than expected. Michigan. What?
What happened? I'm gonna check it now. Yeah, I don't have the number yet.
They seem to be good. So it seems like inflation is actually better, and the sentiment is better. So the inflation is down, and the consumer sentiment is up. And what?
2 plus 2 minus
Equals-
6 equal 24.
I'm.
Alright, I have the number here.
Did I hear correctly?
Not impressed, like it's not a lot. Like we are talking, yes, it's higher, but by not enough. That's the way I would say it.
Okay, so give us numbers here.
Yeah.
Was I right? 3 point.
Like Michigan consumer sentiment the preliminary, the consensus was 52, the previous was 51, and the actual is 53.3. So
Okay.
technically 1.3% higher. So then PCE is 0.3, just in line. So the Michigan 5 years inflation expectations is lower by 0.2%. So it was expected 3.4. No, like the actual, like the previous was 3.4,
Yeah.
and the actual is 3.2. You know, take it for what it is. It's a good number, but I have problem trusting it. Because what happened is when we were coming down, like let's say, it's okay, like it's out of panic for sure. But when the consumer sentiment came down, it came down in chunks of 5%, 7%, instead of up one tick or two tick, you know? SPY really did a nice push.
688.20.
Yeah, that tape on Nvidia is quite messy right now, so
Mm-hmm. Can you survive 183?
if I decide to, yes. But I don't want to, it's gonna get me out before there. And I'm gonna be okay with getting out of that. Yeah, like I'm out now. So, yeah, SPY have all the rights to go way higher. So, I can reload it just there, but I'm probably getting a little bit stubborn here. So, now I can survive that 183. Yeah, very mixed day on the map.
Well, one of the, if we're looking at semiconductor, the only one that's red is Nvidia. So,
Let's see something here. Chop, chop, chop around.
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm feeling a FOMO for SoFi.
You are feeling that you have the FOMO, or you are feeling that out there is FOMO?
I have a FOMO right now.
Right.
But
You
I
wanna
have
go long?
such a good price for WBD
Mm-hmm.
that I'm saying, freak. And SPY, like, what the heck is SPY happening? I don't understand all the hate that's going on with NVIDIA.
Me neither. Like, I mean, I know I have a short on it, but like, still, like,
Right? The loss of confidence for NVIDIA
but it,
right
it could
now.
be a lot of because association. Like association with Trumps, like so you might get like I'm not saying that people will hate Trump in that matter. But I'm saying like probably there is a little bit of getting too political on Nvidia, and that's what my people don't like.
Well, that's true too, right? When we're
You know,
looking at,
we need to do something.
okay, obviously it's not as bad as Tesla, but look what happened to Tesla. Right?
Yeah, yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
But
So I just need to do a little job here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna lose the map for a bit.
okay. Well, that's going to be crazy, but
Mm-hmm.
all-time high. Like, we're going to get an all-time high.
For a spy.
Where's this one? Six, eight, eight. So 6, 8, 9, 70?
I'm not paying attention to you for 1 minute. Sorry.
Please. Holy burr. Ooh. Do you feel cold?
A little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna go upstairs to.
I can go. What temperature would you like?
76 probably.
Okay.
But I can go.
No,
I'm
baby.
done. I'm finished. For real.
I'm not a problem whatsoever. I will be there in
Brother, I have nothing to do with my traits.
nothing.
No, so like they are correct for now. I am correct, I think, for now. So we just have to let it be. All right. So in here. There we go. Let it be, let it be.
What the hell? We're going for an all-time high?
I have doubts about it, because it is a little bit obvious. So
Yeah, 689.
so hopefully I am wrong, but like explores the wisdom. Right, so I'll be back right away. I'm just gonna go to All right, everybody, we are back. So, I have been getting very smoked with NVIDIA, so due to that, I'm gonna do my homework a little bit better. I guess that's the way to say it. So, I have to, let's see what we can do.
We've got orders right up to the 200. That's about 183.50 on NVIDIA. Pretty impressive. What?
Oh, to which price?
183.50.
Okay, yeah, that's okay.
There's offers right up to there. Which is going to pretty much correspond to the new time. A possible new high, all-time high for SPY. And you're saying, what?
$688.31 for a spike. Let's see how that hold or doesn't hold. And for NVDA, it's kind of trapped right now into the 83. But for me to be quiet, it will have to break 183, 182.60 toward the downside. If it doesn't break 182.60, I am kind of wrong in there. So when I say those things, I say I'm gonna do my homework a little bit better. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my stop loss where it's supposed to be. I didn't have a stop loss.
Oh, okay.
So, second, I'm gonna look at the tape. That tape is looking like what? Like a short. It's clearly short, the tape to me.
Okay.
Yes, it can print 183.50, as Mary say, and but I don't see much more after that. You know, like there is not much more sizes after that 183.40, 183.50. So if I follow that, SPY was already interacting with the previous level of resistance, which is not strong enough. Like that level of resistance that I have on SPY at 688.31 is, it's a very small level of resistance. It can be broken like this. So that being said, when I look at NVIDIA is looking bearish on the spectrum here. Though it's trapped between the two 400 moving average, which is a new setup for me. Not new setup, but it's a setup I do not trade normally because it's not that clear to me. So RSI is trying to hold above the 50. And the last thing I have to check, like the volume is okay. The volume is looking like the way I want to see the volume. But let's look at the print. What is the print telling me right now? So we are printing 182.92. 182.92, and then we are heavy bid there coming at 180, 182.80. We did not hold that bid by a lot, so we rebid it right away. But like he had the interaction with the bid, and it just got down like 50, like not 50, like 5 cents, 6 cents. That's not good. So I might be right for now, but as I say, 182.60 is the test of fire for me. And right now, that is actually the VWAP. So if we break the VWAP, I can be more quiet. But until
there's no orders at 182.60.
Like it coincides with the volume level, and it coincides with the VWAP right now. So like I know though the guys say like, oh, I wouldn't touch it, but like I have to touch it. To me, like
well, for you, you know it so well.
But not because I know it well. I actually, like today, I have been the opposite. I have been wrong 100% on NVIDIA. Well, I have been wrong. I have been taking crappy entries for whatever reason. So but like yeah, like to me.
So what's your level?
My what?
182.
60.
Okay, so we've got 182.58,
It's good enough.
right?
My line is 59 actually, not 60.
Okay,
I
so
rounded up to
we've
60.
got 58.
So, yeah, it can go crazy high from there, but like, and like his RSI
We've
piercing.
got, now we've got,
You see the tape how it's swapping the,
right now just swap. Wow.
but it's
We've
swap.
got people that have button. You've got a lot of grain of sand. You got a beach happening with NVIDIA. There are people that are just standing there, boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, but like, I am not, let's say, because
No, I know you're not.
I have a clear plan, but like, now I'm just trying to determine, am I wrong, am I right?
It's holding the view up well, eh?
But he haven't tested, because last time he went there, he didn't hold it, he broke it. And he broke it by quite a lot, you know, like, so right now we have a solid level at 183.13. So it's between the 183.13 and the 182.60. So then 183.13 can be, that 183.13 can perform a shakeout. If you perform a shakeout, it will be toward the 183.50.
So what's the print say? Because there seems to be participation into the buy a lot.
Yeah, the print right now is strongish.
Mm-hmm.
But to be honest, what I don't like about the print, if I was going to be looking for long, what I didn't like about the print is how it did the 182.80. Like the 182.80 was a decent bit,
Mm-hmm.
and it really shrunk it. Like, I mean, it's like. But yes, I would give the fact that like it's hard to determine right now. So like the ask is quite heavy right now, which is quite bullish, I would say. But
So it should be 183. It's either it's going to escape 183.10 or it's going to pull through. But it seems like it's got momentum right now. We will see. There it is again, 183.10. NVIDIA is almost green on the map. Very
yeah,
close.
yeah, very close too.
Very close. So now it's 183.30. We've got 183.50 on the tape. Wow. So it's almost at the BCL. who's pushing it, eh? Who is pushing a market like that? No, it's crazy. Tapis seems to be flipping on Nvidia, but we'll see.
Oui, Maria.
I'm gonna go back to SPY. Why? Wow. Yeah, I gotta calculate quick, but poof.
What are you calculating?
How accurate are the orders? So when we see the print here, because they don't obviously, right? We only have access to several books, but not all of the books. And when I'm looking at the print that's going through, I'm trying to calculate the percentage that is not seen here.
But you have it live there.
Yeah, here.
No. The percentage that is up or down?
No.
The per
difference. No. We see the prints that are here, but the prints that are, I mean, the orders that are here, but what's going through and the difference of what's here.
Okay, I'm gonna keep asking. Why are you wanting to calculate that?
Well, it's just that because when we're looking at the print, and I find that in the tops here that I've seen, the big orders that are going through, they don't match up with what we see. So they're going through, but then they're getting a push or a pull that is not here.
And how do you interpret it as?
So if
That's a good observation.
thank you.
It's a hard to read one for sure, but like
Absolutely. So that's why I've been a little quiet. I've been looking at it, and because, okay, it's almost 40%. It's almost 40%.
if it's almost 40%, that give you almost a 50% probability of determining the direction.
Oh my God. So, and actually now it's more than that. Oh, doggy. Now it's almost double. Well, holy cannoli. Somebody wants it to go to the all-time high today. Incroyable.
You know that I am reading that as the opposite?
Pero when it's about to do a lower low, about 100% shows up
Mhm.
and flips it.
In there, they are stuffing the turkey for them to cook it. And to cook it means to go down in that case. Like, I don't want to influence anybody.
No.
The reason for that is because, what is it? It's at the top, at the actual top.
Mm-hmm.
So you are squeezing all those orders right behind. Like for you to determine if they are a seller or buyers, like what is the direction, you have to identify the middle print, which is your white print, and see if they are between the middle print, like if they are between the center, below the center, or above the center, which is humanly impossible to calculate. Like unless you are very fast, I don't know. I cannot calculate that fast. Like the spread, you have to divide it in two.
Oh yeah, no,
And
I
then
know
you
what you,
see-
that's what I've been
you
doing.
see.
It's not easy.
Especially
when
because
you
look
get-
when the white print is going on. Like
Oh yeah.
It's
Well,
a
this
lot.
is not SPY. This is mine.
I think SPY is gonna finish the day red today. I know it's right now it's 0.5%. I think it's gonna finish red.
That would make sense.
I actually in the future I have a short. I recuperate a lot of the losses for the futures, and now I'm going the other direction.
Okay, 182.70. That's yours.
Oh, honey.
Sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl. Okay.
Who cares what you do?
I'm gonna go back to SPY.
SPY really looks like it wants to go higher, but like I just don't know if I want to believe it or not.
I'm just gonna look again.
Whoa, sugar. Okay. Are you kidding me?
Oh, it seems like I've been. You know when you drive and.
Oh my god.
Oish! That was in your hands.
I know.
That was in your hands.
I know.
Wow. 90% now. I know. Like, are we?
We are live, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you wanna say something? Yeah, it's okay. I can mute. Now wait for it. No, it's mute. All right, so we are going to be wrapping it up. I'm recuperating some of the losses right now, but today it has been not horrible because I say I have done very well lately, but like I'm giving some of the profit away because I was, I have to say, I was a little bit tilted trading, so I didn't wait for my price, and like I switched my head so many times that it's like, why are you even doing that? And like, what did we do today? Well, we came kind of late because I was frying chicken, so we came like we came really
Pollo
late.
frito.
We came late to sit down here, so we literally sit down at
The market was raining.
9:28. 9:28 was.
No, me, I would no. I
Yeah, you
wasn't.
weren't setting up. Like I sat down, but like I didn't look at anything. So basically, like I want to take a short from the good to go on Nvidia, and like yeah, didn't wait for the proper time. So because I didn't wait for the late, I will if I was here, I was probably gonna be able to get it because like I had the order, you just never got me. So like. Then I decided, you know what, they have been going down enough, so I went long, 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 got out. Long again, got out by the penny. By the penny, yeah. I regret going out there. But at the same time, it's like, I wanted to respect the stop loss, so I that's what I did, and in this occasion, that wasn't good. But yeah, whatever. So then I got short again, and took another loss. And I say, damn it, man, like, I'm gonna have to do something here. And I was telling Maria at that point, hey, I'm gonna try to do my homework here. So I look at the tape, I look at the level, I look at everything. I say, I still think I'm right. So I think this thing can go lower. And what I did, well, I shorted right away at the price I think it makes sense. I let it pump it up and down, and like right now it is manifesting. But like my idea here of this short is like, you see that behavior here, like I don't like the fact that we are testing a downtrend here. So if a SPY is up on the push up that it was doing, like it will just keep going down here. It's convenient for me because if that keep happening, I will be able to get Google today. But if that, it's just not looking good for Nvidia. As Marie say, I don't know what is going on with Nvidia, but it's kind of funky going up and down lately. So I'm gonna stay put on that trade. I'm probably gonna be breaking even at some point, but for now it's just clear short idea. I have zero reason why to go long right now. But let's let it do whatever it wants to do, and then we decide if we wanna hold it or not. So and that's it. So that's it for me right now. I'm red, like quite red, but I'm not okay. I'm okay with that because it's, we have been doing some profit, and that's the game. We are just putting profit at risk. It's just like that's it. So yeah, that's it for me. What about you, Marie?
Okay, so I had an INTC overnight. So I held the INTC overnight, which was fantastic. Look at where I got out of my trade.
Yeah, she got out right at the top.
42.70, and I took it at 40.90 overnight. So yeah, that was a monster trade. Monster trade. Then I took WBD. So at the beginning we were saying, hey, do you know why WBD? So so it's it's a Netflix. So Netflix is
It's
buying
acquiring thing.
acquiring
Warner Brothers.
Warner Brothers,
So,
yes.
That's
So-
a huge, like the legacy that Warner Brothers has, and Netflix is gonna acquire them. It's like this young boy came to the team and he's
Yeah, now
surpass
he's eating the big boy. So right
what a
now,
disruption there, but
yeah. So right now though, I still have
Reynaldo.
I still have WBD. And did you see where I took the WBD? 25. And then I added at 25.10, so my average is 25.05. So
That's a good trade.
that was
Right
a
here.
really good trade. I'm really happy I waited to the pullback to get into that trade. INTC though, which one I'm not sure, and yes, I think I'm going to be breaking even with that if it goes through actually, is I've got a short or INTC, and it's so strong right now on INTC, and I took it at 42.30 my short. But what a strong stock today. So
Lately,
it's-
having
yeah.
quite strong INTC.
Mhm,
Like it has a couple
mhm.
of days doing those things. So
Absolutely, absolutely. Though the tape is definitely thinning out, I'm gonna break even on my, and all the indicators are saying short, but I'm just not convinced. INTC has been very, very strong. The top positions right now, the only big one really on the tape right now is 4270, which is that top again. So are we dreaming? Yeah, could be. RSI is quite low right now. MACDs have flipped, and definitely the bid to the bid seems to be quite high. So when we're looking to a SPY as well, so 684. 684.60 seems to be a big one and definitely enough to go through that. And possibly 684 completely. So, yeah, INTC. I'm not sure about you, buddy. So for INTC into the long as overnight, that was a 20R.
right.
So that was beautiful. Very, very happy with that one. WBD, we're probably going to be looking at about 5R. Not crazy. And INTC short right now is not manifesting, though the signals are there. That's it for me.
Nice. Nice. All right, so that's it. We're gonna wrap it up. I hope everybody have a good week. I hope everybody's gonna enjoy their weekend. Watch out because it's going to be very cold here. It is already very cold. We are cranking up the heat here, the heater, and it's like we
It's
still
really
feel like
crazy.
our feet a little bit like chilly, you know. So enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend. Hopefully we can get this camera back for what did we say? Monday, yeah. So enjoy your day, and we're gonna see you later.
Respetatus en el semana.
Bye.
Bye. El fin de semana.
El fin de semana, yeah.